welcome to the Plush2x Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today you are watching behind the scene for episode 94, which was the previous episode, where I was making mixed drinks with sorrel juice, and I was mixing it with pineapple juice, lemonade, peach juice, all different kind of sorrel fusion. So check that episode out. But today I'm making some homemade sorrel juice. See, the other episode I bought some store-bought sorrel juice. So this one is going to be homemade. I'm going to teach you how to make them. Now, sorrel is also known as hibiscus sabdiffa. Yeah, I used to call it hibiscus because I thought it was called hibiscus. You don't know how, what word sounds like unless you hear it. So yeah, it's hibiscus sabdiffa, and it's also known as a roselle flower. It's in the roselle flower family. So yeah, you can make a hibiscus tea, you can make a roselle tea, but I am making sorrel juice today, and this is how you make it. Now there's different varieties and variations of it. Some people put cloves, pimento, allspice, dried orange peels. Now that's the basic tradition, and ginger as well. Yeah, you're gonna need lots of ginger, and sugar. So that's the traditional way. Now, there's other places that also make this juice that I just found out, but they call it something different. Like in Nigeria, Nigerians call it zobo, which they actually add pineapple juice and, not pineapple juice, they add pineapples, they blend pineapples and oranges with that mix. And then in Ghana, Ghanaians call it sobolo. And they add 2 different dried peppers to it. I never had any of this stuff here. I only had the sorrel, which is the Caribbean version. And also in Senegal, the Senegalese call it bissap. So yeah, this drink is made like all different places and different variations, and they call it different things. And today I'm going to tell you how to make it. I made 6 cups worth today. And with 6 cups you can get about 3 of this 1 pint bottle right here, and a little bit of hibiscus flower, dried flour. I don't know where you can get it from. I think you can go online. You can go on like West Indian stores or whatever. But I got mine from a restaurant that I used to get the juice from. The guy sold me some flour because I said I wanted to make some myself. So that was nice of him. Thank you. And let me show you how to make it. Oh yeah, let me tell you how to make it first before I show you. All right, you boil some water. You get some ginger. You can either grate the ginger to shred it, or you can cut it up and mash it up just to get the juice out. It's gonna get in there anyway because you're gonna let it simmer, and the flavor would just saturate all in there. So yeah, you boil the ginger. You boil the water. You let the water come to a boil. You throw the ginger in there, let it boil, and then you throw the hibiscus flower in there. And you bring it to a boil maybe about 5-10 minutes. Some people boil it longer, 30 minutes or whatever. But I bring it to about 5-10 minutes. Boil. Turn the light off and let it simmer. Now you're gonna leave that. I made this last night. You got to leave it. The minimum to leave the flour in there, 5 hours minimum. But a lot of people do it overnight. You leave it overnight. You can leave it on the stove or in the refrigerator. So I left mine on the stove just overnight. So yeah, let all that marinate. The coloring is all just lovely. So yeah, and then after that you you sift it, because you want to get all that flour and the ginger and all the particles, and you want to make it as smooth as possible. So you sift it maybe more than once, twice maybe even, and then you put it in the refrigerator to let it cool, or throw it over some ice and enjoy your drink. But here it is, right here. This is what the hibiscus flower look like, dried. Sometimes you can get it fresh, but I don't know if you can get it fresh here in the States, because this is imported, so they usually sell it dry for safer traveling. And now here it is in here. It smells so good. The aroma is lovely. As you can see, the leaves have blown up. The ginger has absorbed. And this is it right here. That smells so good. So I'm going to go ahead and sift it out and put it in the refrigerator to let it cool. And then I'll have my sorrel juice. Oh, also, this juice lasts a long time. They said that if you add rice, you can put like uncooked rice inside of a bottle, like a small amount, and then you pour your sorrel in the bottle and seal it, and it can last about a year. Now, some people don't rinse their rice, but it's actually recommended to rinse the rice and then let the rice dry out and then use it to preserve it. And that's that. So let me go ahead and sift this. Put my apron on because it's a staining magenta color. It's like my cherry juice. You got to protect yourself, your wardrobe, because these stuffs are staining. Alright, let me get the sifting. Into this here. My next picture. It would be safer if I do it in a sink. Now you want to wipe any stains that it makes in your area, because this stuff will stain your cabinets and stuff. It's a beautiful color, but it's very staining. And this is how much it makes in this picture. Don't throw this out right away. You can add some more water. I believe you can make some more. Add some more water, draw it out some more, do the same procedure. And just add some more water and see if you can get some more out of it. Because usually you can, depending on how much you cook at a time. But yeah, I only used a little bit more than this to make this 6 cups right here for the 1 pint. And that's all. Stay tuned for more with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen and have a good day. Bye.